Today I'll show you how to link your PayPal account with GCash. This will allow you to transfer funds seamlessly between the two platforms. Open the GCash app on your smartphone, enter your mobile number and PIN to log in. On the GCash home screen, tap on the menu or profile icon. Look for My Linked Accounts or a similar option. Tap on Link PayPal account or Add PayPal. You will be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Follow the instructions to authorize GCash to access your PayPal account. You may need to approve the connection on PayPal's website or app. After linking, GCash may require you to verify the connection. Check for any verification emails from PayPal and follow the instructions provided. Now go back to the GCash app, navigate to Cash in or Add Funds. Select PayPal as your funding source and enter the amount you want to transfer. After the transfer is complete, you can check your GCash balance to confirm the funds have been added. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.